Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you my beef and broccoli stir-fry recipe, and these are all the ingredients that you will need. Of course, you will need stir-fry beef. I bought mine from Walmart and it was conveniently pre-cut. You will also need at least 1 head of broccoli or more if you would like. You will also need rice vinegar or Shaoxing wine, sugar, cornstarch, soy sauce, oyster sauce, ground ginger or the actual pieces of ginger, pepper, minced garlic, and extra virgin olive oil. Now once your beef is completely cut up, go ahead and add it to a mixing bowl, and you will need 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing wine or rice vinegar, half a teaspoon of cornstarch, and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. And just go ahead and mix all that up with your hands. Once you're finished, go ahead and set that aside and then grab another bowl for the brown sauce. You will need 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine or rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1½ teaspoons of sugar, one teaspoon of cornstarch, and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Go ahead and mix all that together as well and set this aside for later. And of course, it goes without saying, do not forget to wash your hands after touching the meat before making the brown sauce. Now, I also washed my cutting board and knife before cutting up my broccoli. So go ahead and get a separate plate ready. Once you cut up your broccoli, go ahead and set it aside. And as you can see, when I cut the broccoli, I like to cut them in long pieces and leave a little bit of the stem on each piece. Now that my beef and broccoli are ready to cook, I'm going to go ahead and grab my pan and set it to a medium-high heat. Add 1 cup of water and bring that to a boil. Go ahead and add the broccoli in and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. You don't want to overcook it because you still want to have that crispness when you bite into it. Go ahead and remove your broccoli and set it aside. I prefer to set my broccoli on a paper towel so it doesn't get soggy, but if you have a little tray that you can set your broccoli on that it'll drip through, that's perfectly fine as well. Go ahead and remove the water and add some cooking oil. Go ahead and add in your beef and mix that around. And you will also add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and cook until just a little bit of the red in the meat is visible. Add in the brown sauce when just a little bit of red in the meat is visible and continue stirring around for a couple more minutes. Once the beef is fully cooked, add back in the broccoli and continue to stir. Once everything is fully mixed, add a drizzle of sesame seed oil and stir once more. And sprinkle in as much sesame seeds as you would like. And that is it for this recipe. I suggest serving this over cauliflower rice if you are trying to be low carb, or you can go ahead and serve it over white rice, whichever you prefer. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and like this video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate it. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you again in a couple days in a new video. Bye!